Welcome to our marketing automation series. My name is Jason St-Cyr, and today we're going to dig into marketing actions. When you expand the marketing automation toolbox, there are a lot of options available to you to add to your campaign. In an upcoming video, we'll take a look at some of the others, but in today's episode, we are focused on the green elements in the toolbox of marketing actions. First up is the change behavior profile value action. We're going to use this whenever we want to alter a contact's behavior profile when they reach a certain point in the campaign. First, we're going to select the profile we want to alter, such as lead, and then we're going to change how much that individual is going to be associated to that profile. You can do this with multiple profiles at the same time. This is great when your campaign is targeted at a specific type of individual and you want to be able to personalize for the user based on the fact they flowed to this point in the campaign. For example, if your customer purchased television in store and you want to personalize the website for their next visit as a home electronics consumer. Similar to changing the contact's behavior profile, the change engagement value action is used to alter the contact's level of engagement. Remember, this is a global engagement value, not specific to this campaign. This is useful if we're entering into a campaign or proceeding forward through a campaign, if that indicates a specific rise in engagement with your brand. That might be responding to a survey or clicking on a link in an email. Next up is the list management actions. You'll want to use the add contact to a list or unsubscribe from a list action when the contact reaches a point in the campaign where their list categorization used for emails needs to be updated. For example, if they purchased a new phone, you might want to add them to the mobile customers list. If later you learned that they actually purchased it as a gift for somebody else, you might want to remove them from that list. The update consent settings action is incredibly important to meet with privacy regulations in some countries, which require you to give users the option to unsubscribe from messages. Two options are available: do not market and consent revoked. Do not market is to stop marketing messages from being received by that particular contact, but they'll still get system messages like forgot password types of system messages. Consent revoked, that indicates that they don't want any messages at all, even system messages. Finally, we have the validate email address action. This is not used to execute a validation, but instead update the contact to mark that the email address is valid. For example, if the user clicked on an email link from a promotion you sent them, you'd want to add this element in to identify you now know the email is valid. Make sure to check out our video on listeners and decision points. Have a great day.